how to disable screen time on iPhone. So unlike old iPhone where you have the turn off and turn on button for the screen time, on the latest iPhone you probably won't be able to use the toggle button to disable or to enable the screen time. But here I'm going to walk you through a quick workaround that allows you to turn off or disable screen time on your iPhone. So if you're not of this, you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings page, you want to scroll down the page, keep scrolling until you get to screen time, then click on it. So by default, this is how your screen time is going to look like if you turned on screen time. Now the first thing you want to do when you want to turn off screen time is go to content and privacy restrictions. Make sure you turn this off. Once turn off content and privacy restrictions, come back again. Locate turn off app and website activity and click on that. Then turn off website and app activity. Now, once that is turned off, then it should say screen time disabled. Get insight about your screen time and set limit as needed. Adult can also set parental control for a child's device. You can also get insight about your personal screen time, set screen time and set limit as needed. Then, now if you want to reduce screen distance under limits usage, click on screen this and then disable this as well. And then you're good to go. So the communication limit, all other things on your iPhone will be deleted under screen time. So if you also set lock screen time setting time here, you want to disable this as well. So just remove the lock screen time pin or passcode and then you're good to go. You can see my screen time is no longer active. You see that? So that is basically how to turn off or disable screen time on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.